Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 9 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 65 on trigonometry. Let us start with the first question. If tan A is 8 by 25, then what is sine 2A? We are given the value of tan A. So that to find out sine 2A, of course sine 2A we can write as 2 sin A cos A. But here tan A is given. So in terms of tan, if I can able to write sin 2A, it is easy for me to compute it. So we know that sin 2A can be written as 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. That formula we have to use so that to get the value of sin 2A in terms of tan A. Fine, let us use that. If at all you use that, sin 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. This is the formula what I can use now. That is 2 into 8 by 25, that is the value of sin 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A, that is 64 by 625. If at all I simplify that, it is going to be 16 into 25 upon 625 plus 64. What is 625 plus 64 for us? 689. So that is going to be 400 by 689. So the value of sin 2A is how much? 400 by 689. 400 by 689 is nothing but second option for us. Now let us see the next question. If tan A is 8 by 25, then what is the value of cos 2A? Here also cos 2A we have to write in terms of tan. That is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. That is going to be 1 minus 64 by 625 by 1 plus 64 by 625. Right? So, if at all I simplify this, it is going to be 625 minus 64 by 625 plus 64, that is otherwise 561 by 689. 561 by 689. 561 by 689 is nothing but fourth option for us. Let us see the next question. Tan A is 8 by 25 and he is asking us to find out tan 2A. What is tan 2A in terms of tan A? Tan 2A is given as 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A, that is otherwise 2 into 8 by 25 by 1 minus 64 by 625, that is 2 8 are 16 into 25 by 625 minus 64 we have, right? So that is going to be 400 by 561. 400 by 561. It is nothing but first option for this. Okay. Now let us see the fourth question. Yeah, it's very interesting question. If sin power 4a by a plus cos power 4a by b is 1 by a plus b, then what is the value of sin power 8a by a cube plus cos power 8a by b cube? For solving this problem, we take sin square a as 1 minus cos 2a by 2 and cos square a as 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Using this result, we are going to solve this problem. First step is you take this, in place of sin square a we will try to substitute 1 minus cos 2a by 2. In place of cos square a we will try to substitute 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Thereby we simplify and we will get the value of cos 2a. Cos 2a value we will try to find out here. Using that result we can simplify this and get the answer. Okay. Now it is a two-step procedure. First step is using this result finding cos 2a. That is the first task. Let us do that. So sin power 4a can be written as sin square a whole square by a plus cos power 4a is cos square a whole square by b, that is 1 by a plus b. That is the first thing. That implies sin square a, as I told you, 1 minus cos 2a by 2 we can write in place of that. That is 1 minus cos 2a by 2 whole square by a plus 1 plus cos 2a by 2 whole square by b, that is going to be 1 by a plus b. That is the second step. That implies we can say we can like expand. So what do you get? 1 plus cos square 2a minus 2 cos 2a, okay, times of b plus here it is 1 plus cos square 2a plus 2 cos 2a times of a by here 4ab, that is going to be the LCM, that is equal to 1 by a plus b. This is what we are going to have. Fine. So we have 1 plus cos square 2a minus 2 cos 2a times of b plus 1 plus cos square 2a plus 2 cos 2a times of a is equal to 1 by a plus b. If at all I write its next step, what will be its next step? Here cos square a times of b. So if at all I take cos square 2a common, here I have me, let me multiply with a plus b. So b of a plus b. Fine. Next. Here I have cos square 2a times of a. So a times of a plus b plus a times of a plus b. Okay. Thus that is my cos square 2a coefficient. Next. If at all I take 2 cos 2a plus 2 cos 2a plus 2 cos 2a, if at all I take, here I have minus b times of a plus b, here a times of a plus b. So it is a times of a plus b minus b times of a plus b. Okay, that is my 2 cos 2a coefficient. Next constant if you take, here it is b times of a plus b, here a times of a plus b. So you have plus b times of a plus b plus a times of a plus b. Minus 4ab is 0. That's what I can write, because 4ab if you send to the other side it will be equal to 4ab. Let us bring it, transpose it to the left, so that is minus 4ab is 0. Now this is to be simplified. Now if you look at this term is nothing but a plus b into a plus b whole square. So this is nothing but a plus b whole square times of cos square 2a. Let me write it. That is going to be a plus b whole square times of cos square 2a plus 2 cos 2a times of, what you have? 2 cos 2a times of a plus b times of a minus b. That is a square minus b square. So we can write it as a square minus b square. Okay? Plus, what is the next term? Next term we have, this is nothing but a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus 4ab. What is a plus b whole square minus 4ab? A minus b whole square. So we have here a minus b whole square. That is going to be 0. That implies. If you observe here, it is in the form of something square, a square plus 2ab plus b square form. So this can be written as a plus b cos 2a plus a minus b whole square is 0. Okay, that is otherwise a plus b. So simply I can say cos 2a is equal to b minus a by a plus b. This is how I got my cos 2a value. Now what I have to find out? I have to find out this particular value, sin power 8a by a cube plus cos power 8a by b cube. Of course here also for sin square a we use this result, cos square a we use this result. Let us use that. Now we have sin power 8a by a cube plus cos power 8a by b cube. That is nothing but 1 minus cos 2a by 2 whole power 4 by a cube plus 1 plus cos 2a by 2 whole power 4 by b cube. That is what we have. Already we have the value of cos 2a. So I can find out 1 minus cos 2a. What is 1 minus cos 2a? 1 minus of b minus a by a plus b. So let me try to do that. 1 minus cos 2a if you take, that is going to be 1 minus of this. So that is a plus b minus b plus a by a plus b. b cancels. It is going to be 2a by a plus b. If it is 1 minus cos 2a by 2, it is going to be a by a plus b. So it is going to be a power 4 by a plus b whole power 4, of course, by a cube. Plus here 1 plus cos 2a. If I write 1 plus cos 2a here, it is going to be 2b by a plus b. So 1 plus cos 2a by 2 is going to be b by a plus b. So this can be written as b power 4 by a plus b whole power 4 by b cube. So further if I simplify, here a cube times a cancels here, a by a plus b power 4. So that is nothing but a plus b by a plus b whole power 4. That is otherwise 1 by a plus b whole cube. So the result is 1 by a plus b whole cube. The value of sin power 8a by a cube plus cos power 8a by b cube is nothing but 1 by a plus b whole cube. 1 by a plus b whole cube is nothing but, in the given options, first option is the right answer for us. Okay. So first option is 1 by a plus b whole cube. So that is the right answer. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. Yes. Tan theta into tan phi is given as root over a minus b by a plus b. Then what is the value of a minus b cos 2 theta into a minus b cos 2 phi? Let us write cos 2 theta as 1 plus cos theta y. Sorry, cos 2 theta, what you can write? In terms of tan, let us write 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Let us write it. Similarly, cos 2 phi, 1 minus tan square phi by 1 plus tan square phi. Let us write it and solve it. So what do you get now? A minus b cos 2 theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is first term. Second term is a minus b into 1 minus tan square phi by 1 plus tan square phi. Okay, that is otherwise. So it is going to be a plus a tan square theta minus b plus b tan square theta. This is the numerator part by 1 plus tan square theta, that is denominator part, into here also if you take, it is a plus a tan square phi minus b plus b tan square phi upon 1 plus tan square phi. This is the denominator part, right? Now let us try to multiply. Before multiplication, let us regroup the terms. A minus b plus a plus b tan square theta. Here we have this. Here of course we have a minus b plus a plus b tan square phi. Denominator is 1 plus tan square theta times of 1 plus tan square phi. Now what is the next step? Let us try to multiply. A minus b times of a minus b, that is a minus b whole square, plus a minus b times of a plus b, that is a minus b into a plus b. Let us write. Here also same thing, so I can simply write it as tan square theta plus tan square phi. Okay, plus a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b whole square times of tan square theta tan square phi upon denominator is 1 plus tan square theta type plus tan square phi plus tan square theta times of tan square phi. This is what denominator we have. What is the next step? We are given tan theta into tan phi as root over a minus b by a plus b. So if I square it on both sides, tan square theta tan square phi is going to be a minus b by a plus b. Now let us write it. So here we have this as a minus b whole square plus a minus b into a plus b times of tan square theta plus tan square phi plus a plus b whole square times of, we have here, what do you have? Tan square theta times of tan square phi. In place of that we can write a minus b by a plus b. So here I can write a minus b by a plus b upon 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square phi plus tan square theta tan square phi. That also we can write as a minus b by a plus b. Okay, here a plus b and square cancels. Now if you observe the denominator, what is common? A minus b is here, a minus b is here, and a minus b is here also. So we can write a minus b common if you take. What do you have now? Here it is a minus b plus it is a plus b times of tan square theta plus tan square phi. Okay, plus here a plus b we have upon here a plus b, because LCM if you take it will be a plus b times of tan square theta plus tan square phi plus a minus b, of course by a plus b I have, by a plus b, that is LCM part. Now let us send this to the numerator position, that is going to be a square minus b square times of, here what do you have? A minus b plus a plus b. So b cancels, minus b plus b, so it is going to be 2a plus b times of tan square theta plus tan square phi. By denominator if you take a plus b plus a minus b, that is also 2a plus b times of tan square theta plus tan square phi. Okay, so if you observe these two terms are same, so they cancel. So what is the final result for us? A square minus b square. So the result for us is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, if you see, That is nothing but the fourth option for us. That is the right answer. Okay, so that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.